Welcome back to another video of Brawl Stars, and today we have challenge. We need to acquire 100 trophies with 50 kills within 10 minutes. So I think this is a hard challenge for me because I am beginner pro in this particular game, and the brawler I'm selecting, even I don't know the name. He's just currently wearing a scarf, and I believe he's attacking with it. Yeah, it's pretty cool brawler in my perspective. It's coming with a huge disadvantage. Means I cannot hit a brawler if it far from me. But still, it is bit far. Oh, I can fly. I can fly. This is great. Even I can fly and I can attack on any enemy. It's like a surprise attack. The people who have already played the game like PUBG or something like Free Fire, they know surprise attacks are something everyone hates. So it's a good one. You saw it. I attacked on it. That's great. I love it. I love this brawler. Let's see. Come here, my brother. Come. Yeah. I'm not that much back player. It is a great brawler. We have won the first match. See that? I'm not that much bad player. Everyone say that I'm getting killed by them. Well, but player. Yeah, I'm a pretty good player. Bet me, I will kill more than 5 enemies in this particular match. Now I know how to use this OP brawler. It's really OP. Means we can kill anyone using this brawler easily. Because in short range it is too much powerful and you can easily jump on someone to kill them. I have killed one brawler. Let's see another whom I will target. Come here, my darling, come here. Second brawler. I know these are not the professional, these are both or like me. Third brawler, by the way. Third. Go ahead and kill. Yeah. Whom I should select? Let's see. First, I understand if you will collect these power gems or some whatever they are, you will become powerful. Fourth brawler, I just need to kill one more brawler as I said. And rest, if I will kill more than 5, you will subscribe and like this video and tell me at the end of this video whether I will able to kill 50 brawlers or not. So count it. See, okay, so I can shift the position as well. Fifth brawler. Now I need, if I will kill one more brawler, you will subscribe. If I will kill 2 more brawler, like it as well. One more brawler, 6th and 7th. I made 1 versus 7 this game. Woo, this is what we call a OP game. Let's see what will happen in this match. Okay. Again, it's our third match and we are close to our goal, but I believe it's really hard. Now I'm feeling it's hard to collect all the trophies. Kill, die. By the way, if you like or love the anime, then welcome to our Naruto army. So, if you like the anime, just like this video because I also love anime. That's why we have a Haruto army and you are a part of my army. If you want to be and you didn't subscribe yet, kindly subscribe it and become the part of my army. And we will conquer this world of the Brawl Star and Minecraft. Soon you will get a video of Minecraft, but by mistake I delete my first video. I was editing by mistake. It got vanished from my mobile because currently I'm using a low device, so it is an issue. So come here, darling. She's smart. She is smart. I believe Shelly. Yeah, she is smart. No issue, I will kill it. Don't worry about. I will kill it too much badly. By enjoyment. Just wait. Come here, darling. Let me get you. Come here. As I said, I'm not that much bad player. I can kill this type of small brawlers. Go ahead, dude.
Can't believe I have to do this.
By the way, people have cool skins in this game. I need one as well. But see, in future, we will purchase it or we will get it free. Let's see how we will acquire our first skin. So this is the game. Okay,
Don't look at
can he see me? Or he just making assumption? Don't worry, I will kill you, both of you. Come here, come here, come here. What the fuck? Come here, I want you. Damn. Means I want to kill someone else. Don't worry, I will kill him as well. Where are you going? Come here. See that? I told you I can kill him.
Don't look at
Let's see. Two players left. Let me find them. Where? Okay, I saw someone there. First, I need to get more.
guy.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Don't worry. I will kill you. Still, I have a power to kill you. Come here, come here. Yeah. That's a great match. As I told you, I can kill them. It's a piece of cake. Now I'm feeling it's a piece of cake. But the problem is trophies. It is really hard to get 100 trophies within a 10 minute. So I need to increase my speed. I really need to increase my speed. Otherwise, I will burst it in this
Back on the
game.
grind.
So let's see whether I will able to complete the challenge or not. And you can drop your comment. What do you think about my gameplay? I know I am playing like a bot right now, but soon I will improve it. Don't worry about it. And if you have tips for me how I can improve my gameplay, I'd really appreciate if you can drop in a comment box. So come here. Okay, this is another brawler. Means there are a lot of brawler. When I was checking my brawler, I saw there is more than hundreds of brawlers. So we can acquire new brawler as soon as possible. But I don't know how to get new brawlers because I'm getting them randomly without any sequence. And I saw um means I saw something where we need to collect chips and we can collect a brawler as per our wish. So I will explore that option as well. See,
of Brawl Stars,
there is someone. I believe there is. No, they have left the place. I have two different options. I can kill any one of them. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. I will kill him surprisingly. Dum 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 down. That's what we call a kill. Let's see. Come here because I don't have much time. Okay, that's great. So we have only nearby 2 minutes left. 2 point. Yeah, we have only 2 minutes, so we need to kill them as soon as possible. Okay, let's see. Here they have icons. I don't know what they're.
Can't believe
Blue
I have to
heart.
do this.
I will explore new options. Thank you. Now I can get the trophy. I mean, this energy bar easily. Thanks for help, my brother. I will not kill you. Means I will kill you, but not now. First, I will kill your nearby person. Then that's a great. Another one.
Wow, hardcore.
Come here. Why? Me sometimes I believe they hate me. The gems, the green power gems, whatever they are, they hate me. That's why. Come here. Let me kill you. Let me kill you. Whoa! I got a power. I didn't update it yet that much, but yeah, I got power. There are two brawlers. 3 versus 1. Game over. We need only another one match. We need to complete another one match, and we will able to secure everything. So we have only 1 minute to complete this match, and we will gain whatever we want. So let's see how we will complete this match.
Can't make me.
Come here, come here. I need to kill you. Come here. So first of all, in this particular match, we have only one target: kill everyone. As soon as possible, kill everyone. I have only one target. Forget the gems, kill everyone. If gems will help you to kill them easily, just kill them. Go, 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 go. Bomber, go. You can't launch that much bombs. Okay, don't worry. Oh, fuck. Fuck, fuck, fuck. But I need to complete this match. I don't have much time. Only 15 seconds left. What I will do? 15 seconds. Oh, come here. 4 brawlers left. 4 brawlers. 3. Come here, Funi, last, come here. Shit, I lost my challenge, but what I can say, I don't know when I will able to complete it. Where is the last brawler? I got you, brother, but I will not kill you like that. We lost this challenge just because of 15 seconds. Only 15 seconds.